Heavy snow and ice has covered the UK this week and bitterly cold weather has gripped the country. Temperatures plummeted to record low levels in some areas. The Met Office announced an overnight temperature of 23°C recorded in Scotland this week is the lowest in more than 25 years. According to the latest weather forecast maps, further snow could be in store for parts of the UK this weekend. Chart's winter overview maps show some new snow could fall in parts of Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, Wales and the southwest on Saturday. Additionally, some of this snow could fall on areas already saturated with heavy snowfall this week. The latest weather maps indicate snow depth in Scotland could reach up to 15 inches, 39 centimeters, this weekend, a week after Storm Darcy wrought havoc on the nation. The Met Office forecast Saturday will be dry for many parts of the UK. However, outbreaks of snow are expected to develop over Northern Ireland during Saturday morning. These outbreaks of snow are then expected to spread into southwest England, Wales and western Scotland later in the day. With further snow expected over the weekend, the Met Office has issued several weather warnings for Saturday. Swathes of western and eastern Scotland, Wales and most of Northern Ireland are under a yellow snow and ice warning for the duration of Saturday. The Met Office warns 20 centimeters, or approximately 8 inches, of snow could fall in some areas of Northern Ireland under warning. The yellow snow and ice warning for Northern Ireland reads, a band of snow is likely to arrive into Northern Ireland just before dawn on Saturday morning before moving away eastwards during the afternoon. 1 to 4 centimeters of snow is possible widely with 5 to 10 centimeters, perhaps up to 20 centimeters over high ground where strong winds may give blizzard conditions and drifting. Snow may turn to freezing rain at times across parts of Northern Ireland, bringing an additional ice risk. Forecasts suggest further snow could affect some regions on Sunday too. The Met Office forecast a windy day with the potential for rain and hill snow which will spread eastward on Sunday. There is also the possibility of freezing rain across central and eastern areas of the UK. Over the next 3 days, windy new snow forecast maps show the highest accumulated snowfall totals are forecast for Northern Ireland. However, the southwest, parts of Wales and several areas in Scotland are also predicted to see heavy snowfall accumulations. In a change from recent days, eastern England and the southeast is not forecast to see significant snowfall over the coming days. A similar picture is also forecast for northern England this weekend.